And we're tracking the tropics here at 6 o'clock. Tropical storm Jerry rushing across the central Atlantic and is expected to strengthen into a hurricane by Friday. Jerry, which formed over the past 24 hours, is the 10th named storm of this late blooming season. There have been 3 hurricanes in just over 2 weeks. Right now, Jerry has sustained winds of about 60 miles an hour as it sits east of the Leeward Islands, that area under a tropical storm watch. Jerry is not expected to threaten the U.S. because of a cold front that will sweep off the east coast to help deflect that storm out to sea.